Hello, this is Mike Swanson of Wall Street Window. And today is going to be a great day because I want to give you my two-fold formula ebook and empower you in your investing and trading. It's completely free. I'm going to give you a link to download it. You don't need a password to open the book up. You don't need to send money for shipping, nothing like that. You just use the link and then read the book. Let me show you the book so you'll see exactly what you're getting. And if you saw my previous two videos about swing trading, you'll know that I started out in the markets and first got kind of lucky with a stock pick and made a bunch of money, then lost all of it, just about. I got to the point where I had $6,000 left. And then over a 12-month period, I turned that into over 100,000 through swing trading stocks. And I then refined that swing trading tactic into what I call the twofold formula. And I put it into this book so you can understand how it works, how to identify it, and how to use it. Because it is the best single trading pattern I've ever used in the markets. And I am someone that has been in the markets since the late 90s, co-managed a hedge fund for 3 years, and have a lot of experience, to say the least, in the financial markets. I'm not going to read the book. I'm just going to show you. It's like 40 some pages, and the type is fairly large. But all I'm going to do is just show you the simple chart pattern that's involved with it. And that is a stock, an ETF, a sector, whatever it is. It comes out of a basing phase and pops 100%. More is better, but at least doubles. And then it consolidates to set the stage for an entry point and another breakout. Now, it's important that it doubles first, because that double price action demonstrates that this is a stock that really can put on big, powerful moves. So there's huge potential. And then that consolidation, that sideways period that typically lasts 2 to 6 weeks, represents a consolidation, a breathing phase, let's say, for that stock, and an entry point that sets the stage for the potential next move higher. And when it happens, often that first double leads to another double. So that's why I call it the twofold formula. And this is a stock that it happened with in October. But there's more than just this price pattern in itself. Combine this pattern with fundamentals in a larger trading strategy, and then you really got the twofold formula. The twofold formula doesn't simply represent double in price, but also two components of technical analysis and fundamental analysis to combine the two together. And that's powerful in these markets. And at the right moment, you can find a lot of stocks in the individual sector line up like this. And that often is the start of a move that's going to last not just for a couple of weeks or a couple of hours, but for an entire 6 to 12-month period, possibly even larger than that. So this is a move for a pattern, not just for short-term traders, but people who like to invest and hold for 12 months and get the long-term capital gains. And as I have gotten more money in these markets than the first year I started out, that has become very important for me. So get the book. How do you get the book? Go in the description and you'll see a link. You click the link and it'll take you to a page describing the book. You can just scroll all the way down though, and what you'll find is not an order form, but a simple inbox. You put in your email address, then the ebook will be emailed to you instantly. You go to your email inbox and you open it up. And then you also get my free weekly email updates where I'll talk about what's going on in the market and if I see any stocks lining up with the twofold formula. And often, depending on how the market's trading, that can be something that might take a while and we'll be looking for it and talking about that together, or it could be right there in front of us. And that's a wonderful time when it is. Why do you got to put in your email address? Because I need people to subscribe to my email list to grow it and get my content out there, more people watching these YouTube videos. I don't want to just do this for one person, but I do want to help one person at a time. And that's why you need to scroll into the description of this video, click the link, you'll see the page, scroll all the way down to the bottom, put in your email address and get the book, read the book. If you got any questions, you can also then send me an email, and you'll have my email once, because you get the book sent from my email. And you can ask me your questions, and we'll move forward in these markets together. And this is the time to grab the twofold formula. You want more stuff like this from me, in-depth lesson type deals and ebooks and so forth, hit the like button to this video too. And if you're, and I'll be talking with you later. Let's make some money.